Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Azzan Arts. In this video, I'm going to write Bismillah in English language using 605 cut marker. I have already made a playlist on how to use cut markers, and you can find that playlist on my channel, and you can easily learn how to use cut markers. In this video, you can observe how I am using cut markers and how I am moving cut marker and where I am using thin line and where I am using thick line. If you want me to write your names, comment down your name and inshallah I will make a separate video for your name. As you can see in this video, I am writing in the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. It's not that hard to learn how to use cut markers. If you practice more and more, you can learn within days. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So here are the final results. Hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.